Welcome. If you want to use applications in a pop-up view on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, for first you have to open this application that you are going to use. So I'll go for YouTube, Gmail and Google Maps. And right now we have to drag right here and open the first application by clicking on her icon right here. So right now click on open in pop-up view, then click here and do the same. So drag, open the second application, tap on the open in pop-up view, click also here, and let's go for the last one. Click open in pop-up view, and right now when you want to open it, just click here, and right now we can work on the few applications at the same time in the one screen, and also we can open another one in the background. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.